Well, good morning everyone, and welcome to a bright and chilly January morning in Norfolk. And welcome to my channel. Believe it or not, this is actually going to be a photography channel. But before you hardened bikers turn off, unsubscribe and run away, rest assured that 95% of the content on here is going to be about motorcycles. As a commercial photographer and as someone who used to travel extensively in my Land Rover, I know how difficult it is to try and get the best images of where you're travelling through and to capture the essence of the journeys that you take whilst not interfering with the journey itself. So being able to set up your equipment quickly, easily and capture really good images is essential to helping you get the memories out of your trips, tours, weekend rides and everything. So this is the plan. Using my home county of Norfolk as a backdrop, I'm hoping to help you to set it up so that you can get the best images of your bike and from your bike when you're touring in the most efficient and easy way possible without disturbing your tour. Now here is my little bag of tricks. I'm now going to try and set up for this follow mode. And we need to bear in mind that all I really want is a few seconds of footage. And there we have my controller nicely secured. Gonna light this road really nicely, and the backdrop